To multiply a number by 10, we're going to move the decimal point one place to the right. The first thing we need to do is find the decimal point. If you can't see it, it's at the end of the number, so the decimal point is here for this question. Now I move it one place to the right. There's nothing under here, so it needs to be a 0, so I'm going to write 70. And because the point is now at the end of the number, I don't write it. When we're multiplying by 10, we always move the decimal point to the right because we want the number to get bigger. For this question, the decimal point is here. If I move it one place to the right, I then have nothing under here, so it's going to be a 0 again. The point's at the end, so I don't include it. For this one, the decimal point is here. We move it one place to the right, and it lands at the end, so we're not going to include it. Now this gives us 0.4. But we don't write the 0, the answer is just 4. Here's the decimal point. Move it one place to the right, and it lands in between the 5 and the 6. So we have 25.6. When we multiply a number by 100, because there are two zeros, we move the decimal point 2 to the right. So for example, if I want to multiply the number 3.57 by 100, I will move the decimal point 2 places to the right. It's at the end of the number, so it's 357, and the decimal point can be left out. When we multiply a number by 1,000, we move the point 3 places to the right. So for example, 2.6 times 1,000, move it once, twice, 3 times. There's nothing here and here, so they need to be zeros, so it's 2,600, and the decimal point is at the end, so it can be left off. Here are some questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go at them. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. Here are some more for you. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. And some more for you. Press pause and try them. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. In these questions, I want to divide by 10. When we divide by 10, we want the number to get smaller, so we're going to move the decimal point one place to the left. The decimal point is here for this question, and I'm going to move it one place to the left. That means that it's now here, so I have 0.7. We're not allowed to leave our answer like this, because the point might look just like a speck on your paper, so you need to make sure you put a 0 in front of it. The decimal point is here, and when I move it one place to the left, it lands in between the 3 and the 2, so my answer is 3.2. Move the decimal point one place to the left, and it's here, so we have 0.04. But once again, we need to put a 0 in front of the point. Move it one place to the left, and we have 0.256. Don't forget to put the 0 at the front. When we divide by 100, because of the two zeros, we move the decimal point 2 places to the left. When we divide by 1,000, because of the 3 zeros, we move the point 3 places to the left. Here are some questions for you. Press pause and have a go at them. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. Some more questions for you. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. And some more for you. Press pause and try them. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. Finally, here's a mixture of questions for you. Press pause and have a go at them. When you're ready for the answers, press play. And here are the answers for those. I'm going to ask you to have a go at this typical exam question. To help you, I'm going to give you a number line. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for the answers, press play again. The town with the lowest temperature is Oldham, with a temperature of -6, which is here on our number line. I'm now looking for the difference in temperature between Perth and Swansea. Perth has a temperature of 6 and Swansea has a temperature of -4. If I show these two temperatures on my number line, I can then see that the difference between the two temperatures is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the difference in temperature is 10 degrees C. When they ask for the difference, it will always be a positive answer. For this question, I look at the temperature in Swansea at midnight, which is here, -4, and I'm going to mark that on my number line, here. And then, because the temperature rises by 9, I want to add 9 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I get to 5, so the new temperature is 5 degrees C. For this question, I look at the temperature in Oswestry at midnight, which is 3, and I mark that on my number line. The temperature falls by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is -4. Here's another question for you to try now. You might want to draw your own number line for this question. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. We're now going to look at multiplying and dividing two numbers. These are the rules. If the signs are the same, the answer is plus. If the signs are different, the answer is minus. For example, if I have the question 3 times -4, this 3 is really a +3. When it's a plus, we don't write it. This is a -4, so the signs are different, and I'm going to use this rule. 3 times 4 gives me 12, and because the signs are different, the answer is minus. Another example. -5 times -6. The signs are the same, so the answer will be plus. 5 sixes are 30, and we don't write the plus. One more example. -20 divided by 4. 20 divided by 4 gives me the answer 5, and now looking at the signs I can see they're different. This one is a minus, this one is a plus that we haven't really written. So my answer is going to be minus. Here are some questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go at them. When you're ready to see me do them, press play. 4 times 5 is 20, and the two signs are the same, they're both really plus, so the answer is plus. 4 sixes, 24. The two signs are different, so my answer is minus. 7 twos, 14. The signs are different, minus. 3 fours, 12. The signs are the same, it's a plus. 6 divided by 2, 3. The signs are the same, so it's a plus. 10 divided by 2, 5. We have different signs, so it's minus. 15 divided by 3, 5. Different signs again, so it's minus. 24 divided by 6, 4. The signs are the same, so it's a plus. If you have to multiply three numbers, like this, minus 2 times minus 3 times minus 4, then you do it in two stages. Do this part first. 2 times 3 is 6, and because the signs are the same, it's plus 6. I want to multiply that by the minus 4 now. 6 times 4 is 24, and the two signs are different, so it's minus 24. Just to make sure you're completely happy with this sort of question, here is some more for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers. To find 1/5 of 20, I divide 20 by 5. My answer is 4. So 1/5 of 20 is 4. To find 3/5 of 20, I find 1/5 of 20, which I already know is 4, and I multiply that by 3, which gives me 12. So 3/5 of 20 is 12. To summarize, to find a fraction of a number, we divide by the bottom number of the fraction and then multiply the answer by the top number of the fraction. Here's one for you to try. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for the answer, press play. We begin by dividing 42 by 7, which gives us 6. We then multiply this 6 by the 4, which gives us 24. 4/7 of 42 is 24. Here are three more for you to try. Press pause and have a go at them. When you're ready for the answers, press play. Here are the answers.